Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss MCQs on Unit 2 Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry, that is Geometrical Isomerism. So let's begin. First question is, a phenomena involving a molecule which shows rigid configuration due to hindered rotation in any part of it is known as optical isomerism, structural isomerism, stereoisomerism, or geometrical isomerism. So the correct answer is geometrical isomerism. The next question is, geometrical isomerism arises due to the difference in relative dash around the double bond in a compound, spatial arrangement of atoms, bond formation, chiral carbon functional group. So the correct answer is spatial arrangement of the atom. Next question is, which is not a classification of geometrical isomerism? Compounds having double bond, compounds showing geometrical isomerism, compounds having cyclic structure, compounds showing optical isomerism. So the correct answer is compounds showing optical isomerism is not a classification of geometrical isomerism. The next question is, dash and absorption intensity of trans isomer are higher than those of cis isomer. Boiling point, melting point, solubility, heat of combustion. So the correct answer is melting point. Next question is, geometrical isomers react with the same reagent at dash rates. Same, fast, different, slow. So the correct answer is different rates. The next question is, which nomenclature is not used for naming of geometrical isomerism? Cis-Trans isomerism, RS nomenclature, Syn-Anti nomenclature, or EZ nomenclature. So the correct answer is RS nomenclature. The next question is, the phenomena of dash rotation around the double bond gives rise to stereoisomerism in a molecule. Restricted, obstructive, angular, specific. So the correct answer is restricted. The next question is, in EZ nomenclature, E is derived from a German word antagon, meaning together, different, opposite, separated. So the correct answer is opposite. The next question is, an atom with double or triple bond is equivalent to 2 or 3 such atoms. This is dash of EZ nomenclature of geometrical isomerism. Rule 3, Rule 2, Rule 1, Rule 4. So the correct answer is Rule 3. The next question is, if elements with higher priority are on the same side of the double bond, the isomer is assigned EZ Syn-Anti configuration. So the correct answer is Z configuration. The next question is, method of dash works on the principle that is intermolecular reaction occurs when reacting groups are closer together in the molecule. Cyclization, spectroscopy, X-ray analysis, surface film. So the correct answer is cyclization. Question is, reduction of cruton aldehyde to trans, sec-trans, or E-croton alcohol is an example of methods of formation or solid solution, method of conversion into less symmetrical compounds, method based on generalization of physical properties, method of conversion into compounds of non-configuration. So the correct answer is method of conversion into compounds of known configuration. The next question is, in some pairs of geometrical isomers, one form may show optical activity but the other form may not. This method is called method of optical activity. The next question is, dash is one of the easiest and the best methods of determining the configuration of geometrical isomers. Spectroscopic method, method of surface films, X-ray analysis method, or method of optical activity. So the correct answer is X-ray analysis method. The next question is, factor which can reduce the overlap in ultraviolet and visible absorption spectra is the dash factor. Asymmetrical, symmetrical, steric, rational. So the correct answer is steric. The next question is, which one is not included in spectroscopic methods? Ultraviolet and visible absorption spectra, infrared absorption spectra, X-ray spectroscopy, NMR spectra. So X-ray spectroscopy is not included. The next question is in dash the absorption occurs because CH bonding is more powerful than carbon-carbon double stretching. Mass spectroscopy, infrared absorption spectroscopy, NMR spectra, flame spectroscopy. So the correct answer is infrared adsorption spectra. The next question is NMR spectroscopy is used to differentiate between isomers of type CHA double bond CHA, cis and trans, E and Z, Syn-Anti, L and Z. So the correct answer is cis and trans. The next question is in dash method long chain geometrical isomers having terminal group dissolve in a solvent to form surface films where only the trans form can form a close packed film. So the answer is method of surface films. Question is dash is used to explain configurations mainly in the terpenoid chemistry. Occurs-Kita rule, nomenclature rule, configurational rule or conformational rule. So the correct answer is Occurs-Kita rule. Question is if one diastereomer dominates more over the other, the reaction is said to be weakly stereoselective, extremely stereoselective, slightly stereoselective, non-stereoselective. So the correct answer is extremely stereoselective. The next question is when two products are produced in nearly equal quantities, the reaction is said to be non-stereoselective, equally stereoselective, extremely stereoselective, weakly stereoselective. So the correct answer is weakly stereoselective. The next question is catalytic hydrogenation of alkenes and alkynes give the product of cis addition, trans addition, syn addition, anti addition. So the correct answer is cis addition. The next question is configuration of the product obtained by dash of a double bond depends on conditions under which the reaction is carried out. Hydroboration, reduction, hydroxylation, Diels-Alder reaction. So the correct answer is hydroxylation. In dash, each geometrical isomer forms the cis addition product by the addition of dienophile to diene. Hydroxylation, Diels-Alder reaction, polar addition of halogens and halogen acids or hydroboration. So the correct answer is Diels-Alder reaction. The next question is when dash reaction is performed in the presence of an inert gas, the stereospecificity is lost because each substrate forms a mixture of cis and trans product. Reduction, hydroboration, addition of halogens and halogen acids, addition of methylene. So the correct answer is addition of methylene. The next question is polar addition of halogens and halogen acids occur through two-stage dash mechanism. Answer is electrophilic mechanism. Is conformational isomers are different relative arrangements of atoms that can be converted into one another by rotation around dash bonds. Triple, double, single, quadruple. So the correct answer is single. The next question is analysis of different shapes that a molecule can adopt as a result of single bond rotation is referred to as conformational analysis, angle of rotation, structural isomerism, mesocompound. So the correct answer is conformational analysis. Dash reaction may be carried out at room temperature with dimethyl sulfoxide or tetrahydrofuran. Pyrolysis of xanthates, pyrolysis of ester, scope, elimination. So the correct answer is scope. The next question is delta G in the given equation. R stands for dash. Equilibrium constant, temperature constant, rate constant, gas constant. So the correct answer is gas constant. In dash form of ethane, the rear methyl group is completely eclipsed and only the nearer methyl group is visible from ice. Eclipsed staggered, skew, symmetrical. So the correct answer is eclipsed. The next question is, in dash form of ethane, the rear methyl group has been rotated upside down and all the 6 hydrogen atoms of the true methyl groups are staggered symmetrically. Eclipsed, skew, staggered, symmetrical. So the correct answer is staggered. The next question is, two different conformations are possible in n-Butane, one which methyl group is eclipsed by a methyl group, the second in which the methyl group is eclipsed by oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. So the correct answer is hydrogen. The next question is, in first staggered conformation of butane, the methyl group are at the angle of 60 degrees to each other and the conformation is known as transconformation, anti-conformation, conformational analysis or gauge conformation. So the correct answer is gauge conformation. The next question is, in second staggered conformation of butane, the methyl groups are at the 60 degree angle of at an angle of dash to each other and this position is known as anti or transconformation. 140, 120, 180 or 160. So the correct answer is 180 degree. Subsequently, the second staggered conformation of butane is associated with least energy and maximum. Answer is stability. The next question is, the internal angles of a flat regular hexagon are 120 degree, but the favored angle between the successive bonds in carbon chain is around 109 degrees, which is the dash angle. Tetrahedral, octahedral, rotation, hexahedral. So the correct answer is tetrahedral. The next question is, which one is not the most significant conformation of cyclohexane? Chair, boat, half chair, half boat. So the correct answer is half boat conformation. The next question is, the chair conformations are the most stable because the two chair conformation have the lowest total energy, maximum stability, highest free energy, minimum repulsive force. So the correct answer is lowest total energy. The next question is, as a result of ring wrapping, 6 of the 12 carbon hydrogen bond end up almost perpendicular to the mean plane parallel to the symmetry axis with alternating direction are said to be axial, ring flipping, equatorial, proportional. So the correct answer is axial. The 6 CH bonds present almost dash arrangement to the mean plane and are called equatorial, perpendicular, parallel, angular, diagonal. So the correct answer is parallel. The next question is, dash conformations are unstable. Chair, boat, half chair, twist boat. So the correct answer is boat. The next question is, in boat conformation, the molecule has two dash planes of symmetry as well as a carbon 2 axis, parallel, perpendicular, angular, coplanar. So the correct answer is perpendicular. The next question is, half chair conformation is associated to be on pathway between chair and twist boat, chair and boat, boat and twist boat, chair and twist boat. So the correct answer is chair and twist boat. In biphenyl, two phenyl groups are linked by a single bond known as ionic, covalent, pivotal, polar. So the correct answer is pivotal bond. The next question is, racemization occurs with greater ease by the dash configuration, transoid chair, cis-oid boat. So the correct answer is transoid. The next question is, isomerism, which results due to restricted rotation around a single bond, is termed as geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism, stereoisomerism, atropisomerism. The next question is, in dash reactions, one stereoisomer of the product is obtained if one stereoisomer of the reactant is present. Stereoselective, cyclization, stereospecific, atropisomerism. So the correct answer is stereospecific. The next question is, the bulkier the dash substituents, the higher will be the energy barrier separating the enantiomers. Ortho, para, meta, none. So the correct answer is ortho. The next question is, Dash is the first biphenyl which was resolved for optical activity. Trichlorocrotonic acid, dicarboxylic acid, hexahydrophthalic acid, dinitrodiphenylic acid. So the correct answer is dinitrodiphenylic acid. Question is, a dash reaction involves a single reactant which gives two or more stereoisomeric products. Atropisomerism, stereospecific, stereoselective, stereoisomerism. So the correct answer is stereoselective. The next question is, in dash reaction, one stereoisomer of the product is obtained if one stereoisomer of the reactant is present, while different stereoisomers of product are obtained when different stereoisomers of the reactant are present. So the correct answer is stereospecific. The next question is, the reduction of R3-chloro-2-butanone is an example of stereoselective reaction that gives two products as stereomers. Therefore, this reaction is termed as diastereoselective stereoisomerism and enantioselective stereospecific. So the correct answer is stereoselective. Next question is, dash strain is developed when distance between two non-bonded atoms is less than the sum of their van der Waals radius. Steric, torsional, angle, parallel. So the correct answer is steric. The next question is, dash develops only in cyclic compounds. Dipole-dipole interaction, torsional strain, angular strain, intramolecular hydrogen. So the correct answer is angular strain. Next question is, dipole-dipole interactions state that lower the distance between like poles, lower will be the bonding, sustainability, stability, isomerism. So the correct answer is stability. The next question is, if intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present, the order of stability is, so the correct answer is gauge, anti, partially eclipsed and fully eclipsed. That means highest for the gauge and lowest for the fully eclipsed. Next question for this video is, a conformation of ethane is an example of intramolecular hydrogen, torsional strain, dipole-dipole interaction or steric strain. So the correct answer is intramolecular hydrogen. That's all for now. Thank you.